Hello and welcome to Tech It Up Middle East live at GITEX Global 2025, Middle East Africa's biggest technology exhibition. And we are with someone big as well. We are with CrowdStrike. Let's talk to Roland Daccache. He is the Regional Manager, Sales Engineering, Middle East Africa at CrowdStrike. Let's hear from him what they're up to at GITEX. Roland, pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure to meet you too.
Thank you for your time. Well, if you could please tell us about your start by telling us about your GITEX 2025 highlights.
We are in GITEX every year.
Right.
And this event never disappoints. This year we're very excited to be part of it because the talk of the town is AI, agentic AI, and how can we use AI securely and how can we set guardrails around it. Yesterday I had the pleasure of doing a talk with UAE Cybersecurity Council around the same topic. So again, very excited to be in GITEX this year.
Great, thank you so much. Well, Roland, the Falcon platform has been your hero, right? Can you please tell us how it has evolved over time with these complex challenges that we have at the moment with hybrid and multi-cloud environments?
CrowdStrike started by solving the most difficult problem, which is securing endpoints. If you recall back to a bit more than a decade ago, the industry was very attached to the antivirus concept, and CrowdStrike disrupted this whole concept with the cloud-native EDR. Fast forward to 2025, and you see CrowdStrike topping the charts in Gartner and Forrester and other evaluations in the EDR space. But we never stopped innovating at CrowdStrike. So if you look at CrowdStrike today, it's a full end-to-end cybersecurity platform that is solving many use cases for customers, exposure management, identity threat detection, which is very important and very relevant, cloud security, and recently, with few acquisitions, we're focusing a lot on the next-gen SIEM and the AI security part. And these are very hot topics that we're discussing this year, especially following our acquisition of ONUM for data pipeline management and Pangia for AI security.
Great, thank you so much. And yes, when you mentioned AI has been the hot conversation, the center of conversation across industries, across sectors. You recently introduced new modules, with innovations around agentic AI. Please tell us more about this. Please, how are you enabling enterprises with these new modules?
Yeah. If you ask someone last year, what is generative AI, he would immediately refer to chat capabilities, like ChatGPT, Gemini, other tools on their phone. If you talk to people this year, the whole conversation is focusing on agentic AI. We need right now domain experts that are built into AI to help us achieve more tasks with least privileges. That's why in CrowdStrike, for example, we launched what we call the Charlotte AI agents. And a few examples: a malware analysis agent, a threat hunting agent, an incident response agent, a remediation agent, an exposure management prioritization agent. The whole idea is we want to move AI from being the reactive tool that needs to be prompted to the agentic tool that can take action on its own. And the future of the industry, the way I see it, is what we call AI agents communicating with each other, the AI agent collaboration. I think we're probably a year or two far from achieving this vision, but the vision is the fully autonomous, fully agentic SOC. That's why we also acquired Pangia to secure the end user utilization and the software developer utilization of Gen AI and LLM tools.
Thank you so much. And last question for you, Roland. Now, CrowdStrike, as everybody knows, has an open ecosystem approach. How is this adding value to, of course it is adding value. Tell us how it adds value to your customers, to the technology partners as well.
Yeah. Even before we launched our next-gen SIEM and we acquired the data pipelining tool that is called ONUM, we were investing heavily in the technology alliances ecosystem with NDR vendors, CASP, secure web gateway, email security, because we believe that we will never solve all security use cases and we need to integrate. And this has become even sharper when we decided to have a next-gen SIEM capability. That's why we launched tools like Falcon Foundry that allows organizations to build their own apps within the CrowdStrike platform. We launched the Falcon Fusion, which is a workflow builder that is available at no cost for our customers. We announced the Charlotte AI Agent Builder, where customers can build their own agents in the platform. And I don't want to forget that we invest heavily in our channel ecosystem, whether partners or distributors. We want our partners to enjoy doing business with CrowdStrike, build services on top of the CrowdStrike platform. And we're very focused this year on developing the channel ecosystem, specifically in the Middle East, UAE, Saudi, Africa as well. So yeah, that's the gist of it.
Great, thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you, and all the best for the rest of the show.
Thank you very much for having me. Have a good one.
Thank you. So that was Roland Daccache, Regional Manager, Sales Engineering, Middle East Africa at CrowdStrike. You heard from him how CrowdStrike has been innovating over the years, and with recent modules around agentic AI, they've added more innovations to their bucket. Well, thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to take it up. Thank you.